That looks good. Did you build? Who built the box? You did. Okay. Solid tube baffle. Looks really good.
Two Skar EVL12s, D4s, SKV2 2500, couple D1200 AGMs, plus the factory, stock alternator for now, LC2I for signal.
Yes, okay. Can I see the box and the port in the back? Oh, I like to see it. Appreciate it. What was your what vehicle is this?
Hyundai Veloster.
Hyundai
2016 turbo.
All right. Nice. 8-inch port?
Yes.
That looks good. Did you build? Who built the box?
I did.
You did? Okay. Solid tube baffle. Looks really good.
Triple up top.
Triple up top. All right. And stock alternator?
Stock all.
Okay. How's your voltage go down to, you say?
Been holding in mid-12s right now. Having some issues with the alternator I just bought. Trying to get it figured out.
Yes, sir. All right. Thanks for the demo. What's your name?
Elliot.
Elliot. Jacob. All right.
That's my middle name. So.
Jacob. Okay. Nice.
You want some music? Or?
Play what you know is loud. Lows, mids, highs. I mean, something that's in your peak range, but still gives you good flex. I mean, you put what you want, man. Appreciate it, man. Is that what was that? Oh, 34 hertz?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, so is that around your peak? That was pretty.
Yeah,
that's flat, clean, like, and you can tell it's probably, what would you say, around mid-low 40s? Where are you doing?
It's right around 145,
145?
146.
Okay. Nice.
Seem to be having a little bit of power issues from the amp, but, you know, we're playing with it, trying to get it figured out.
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload, so if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.